Hey yo everyone, welcome back to another live stream. This is the episode is this? 22. How's it going, everybody? As always, we are so back. We have the water and everything. Oh shit, that caused a glitch. I shouldn't have hit the table that hard. 1 second, let me just get rid of this lag. Okay. What's poppin'? What's cracking, everybody? I just spilled water all over my clothes, but whatever. Rookie mistake. The weather is weird. It's hot and cold. Sometimes it's raining and shit, but it's actually hot. So I have this fan next to me running. I don't know if I can show it to you without glitching the fuck out of the stream, but I have this fan running, so you might hear it from my microphone. That's the fan, you know. I don't want to turn it off because otherwise I get sweaty and shit, and yeah. Just bear with me. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. So today, as you can read from the title, I'm gonna try to hook up this Rotary encoder to the circuit. All right, let me just make a little plan here. I'm gonna add the 1 sec. I'm gonna add the Rotary encoder thing, update the PCB. Also, there are some things that I need to do on the PCB as well. Mainly about the pins, because some of the pins that I have this potentiometer on the circuit, right? And I don't think I will put that on the circuit. Instead, I need to just, you know, add a cable through the component, because it's gonna be on the case. So I need to put this outside of the case. It's not gonna be on the circuit, so I need to make some updates. I'm just like talking to myself here. Of course, I'm always talking to myself, but just to myself directly. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay, what was in the title? Actually, I totally forgot. Yeah, analog read. So I have this microphone module, right? I'm gonna try to support both reading from the microphone and from the guitar, from the guitar. So just gonna try to do that, and based on my findings, I will update the code to switch modes somehow. I don't know. We'll see. It's gonna be fun either way. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Before that, let me show you what I have. So I have this Rotary encoder. This is what we're working with today. This is what I bought. Fuck. Should be more careful with stuff. Something is wrong with me today. I am just feeling like all just silly and shit. Like I feel like I have butter fingers or some shit. Like I'm always like just hitting my head and not walking balanced, and always feel like I'm gonna fall down and shit. I don't know, something's weird with me today, but whatever, it's fine. We're still alive. Maybe it's because of all the caffeine that I'm consuming. Yeah, the rotary encoder thing that we have is this. So this turns. You know, you can just turn it. You can also press. So, you know, you can press and turn. The reason why I'm using this instead of like a simple pot is because this is digital, and I guess it's just better. I don't know. I don't fucking know. So that one was a module, you know, it has some resistors, it's pull-up resistors. It has 3 resistors actually. I also have the plain one, so this is like the plain plain one, basically no resistors, nothing, just the component. But I think I'll just go for just go for the simple like not the simple but most like straightforward solution, which is just using the module, because I mean this is not gonna be, well, yeah, you could say that I could just add the components on board. It's like what, 3 resistors? Yeah, it's just 3 resistors. Okay, you know what, let me just test something here real quick. So I'm not sure if I can connect jumper cables to this, because the legs are a bit weird. Okay, why is it not working, dude? What the fuck? Or maybe this is, you see, like I can't even hold stuff. It just flies from my hand. Hi Orhun, it's great to watch you load the robot on the top right of you. From the right, this one, right? Bro, this is old as shit. You probably had one of these if you're, you know, more or less the same age as me. This is just one of the OG robots that was sold everywhere. So yeah, welcome, bro. Warpuff fine, I don't know how to read your name, sorry. Welcome, bro. Okay, okay, I need some proper wiring, dude. Proper wiring. Shit. Okay, I have some wires. For some fucking reason, I decided to use the module before the stream, and on the stream, I just changed my mind and just want to use the plain component, because I feel like this is, you know, using this is a bit like, is a bit gay. You know, like you just have like 3 resistors, man. Come on, just just wire that shit. Why do you need a module for that? No offense to gay people, I'm just joking. You know what I'm saying. So the thing is, this is just a bit weird, because you see, I like this just goes in, just out, doesn't really stick with these legs, which is a problem, I think. Yeah, I don't like this that much. Should probably solder something on these legs. But then if I do that, fuck, it's really hard to decide. You know what, let's just use the module for now, and then when I see that it's working, I'm gonna just use plain component, maybe. So I need, how many cables do I need? 5. I already asked ChatGPT about how to connect this, so yeah, there you go. So ground, 3.3, and just, okay, 5 cables. 5 cables, just gonna, you know what, let me just switch to the POV camera, so that you're seeing. Wait, didn't I just set up the chat link here, because it doesn't show your message? Or maybe, okay, refresh. There you go, it's now working. So let's switch to POV. It's probably the last time you're seeing me in this stream. I'm gonna just use the POV from now on. Hell yeah, POV camera. So you cannot run 2 cameras at the same time. That would be actually pretty cool, but I cannot do that, you know. I have a cheap laptop. Please sponsor me on GitHub, thank you. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna you know, connect these cables to it, and we can just start using it, I guess. I'm not sure, I never used this thing before, so we're gonna YOLO it. Let me show you things in HD quality, guys. Hell yeah. So just wiring things, just casually wiring things. anyone is wondering what I'm building here, is it's basically a guitar practice tool with a little screen that runs Ratatouille and written in Rust and all that cool stuff. That's what we're doing, bro. Also, I can show you. We have a switch, and let me just careful place this. So now it's connected to my guitar. If I just play one empty string, actually, what is going on? Okay, something is wrong. Oh, maybe it's because of the fan. Yeah, E4, you see. G3, yeah, it's working. Just to confirm, you know, it's working. All right, let me just continue with what I'm doing. So everything is connected here. Maybe I can show you a bit here. So everything is connected. Okay, what do we do? So ground basically goes to ground. Oh, I need to connect this directly to ESP32, right? GPIO 13, 12, and 14. I need a data sheet for that, actually. Just find data sheet. So where is this actually connecting? Oops, okay, copy image. I'm connecting the module 1 to ESP32T display. I'm giving you the pinout. Also, I'll read the values in Rust using ESP IDF. Yeah, that should be enough. This is basically what I have. So GPIO 35, ADC 0. It's actually not possible to do that because I'm already using 35 for the jack input. So 35. I'm already using GPIO 35. Alright, ADC 17. Wait, am I actually using 35? Where's 35? Never mind. So 27, 26, 33. ADC 17. 17. 17, 19 and 5. 17, 19 and 5. So 26, what? Oh, okay, got it. Okay, how do I read the rotate value? Interesting. So it's kind of a manual work to read the value. We just check if some pin is high, and then if that pin is high, we basically go ahead and increment or decrement the value. Okay, interesting mechanism for sure. All right, so where do I connect this again? Let me just check. 25, 20, 27. Okay, just trying to like figure out. 25. You know what? I can directly connect this to ESP32. I don't need to put this on the breadboard, I think. Alright, so let's do that. What is the second? So this is ground, okay. Okay, got it. Let's connect this. So 5 volts and ground. So ground and 5 volts, those are these pins. It's gonna be a bit weird, but let's see. The first one is ground, so it goes to G. Let me just try to zoom for you. That goes to G. The second one is plus. Oh no, this is 5 volts. This is not great. I need 3.3. Okay, 3.3. I have it on the other side. So ground 3.3. Okay. SW, where does this go? SW. SW is 33. No, what the fuck? SW ADC5. Okay, 33. 33. There you go. DT 26. And clock value is just 27. I guess that's all. Alright, all connected. So now I guess we can just write the code. Alright, let me just run this. Embed it. It's gonna be a bit painful because it's gonna build a bunch of things. Can probably switch to my other camera. There you go. So we need to define these peripherals. Where is the peripherals? Where is it, dude? Alright, there you go. Channel A for the rotary encoder. Okay, defined. Don't we have 3 things actually? Clock and DT. What is SW? Push button. Oh, I can just check if it's high or not. I don't think this into input stuff is just a real function call. Nope, that's just wrong. There is no such thing as into input, etc. Maybe I need to use pin driver. Use the pin driver API. Hey, what's up, bub? What up, man? What's poppin'? We're just trying to connect this encoder thing to the ESP32. These things actually doesn't have to be pull up, but I don't know why it's defining them as pull up. Okay. Right, there you go. Cool, it's working. So bored, not being productive, playing with AI stuff in Novum. Got you, bro. Oh man, I started to sweat right after I just turn off this fan. I need to have this fan running all the time. But anyways, this seems to be working, by the way. These doesn't have to be mutable. Okay, let's just remove the mutable then. Alright, let me flash this and see. Okay, this needs to be mutable. Let me flash this and see what's gonna happen. Why do you track the last clock actually? This is necessary. Alright, let me just try to fix this because I don't think this is correct, but let's see. I'm basically not using my brain here. Just vibe coding so hard right now, dude. It works though. I mean, I hope. We're gonna see in a minute. Fixed version. That's already what I'm doing. Yeah, there you go. It's missing this thing. All right. Let's flash it. Where's my cable? All right. I'm gonna flash it in debug mode. Just play around with it a little bit, and then if it works, I'm gonna flash it in release mode. In the meantime, let me just find some jumper cables for the microphone. Okay, found them. All right. It's not printing anything, which is a bit concerning, but maybe it's because I haven't done anything. Okay, let me just turn this thing and see what happens. Rotate it to 1, 2, 2. Okay, it's just showing 2, 3. Wow, it's not really doing anything. Let me run it in release mode. Takes forever, as always. I'm drinking water, by the way, since you're not seeing me. Just wanted to give you a visual update. Okay, let me play with this. 0, 1, 0, 1. Actually, -1. Wow, it's not real time at all. Why is it like this, dude? Okay, I think I'll remove this line and just try again, because this transform thing is just like taking a lot of time. Maybe it's because of that, but I actually don't know. Maybe I have to set this to pull again. I don't know. We can try. DT. Do I need to set clock and DT? Okay, this didn't. Whatever. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna do what this guy says. Now we should get a pretty good result, I hope. Alright, I'm gonna turn this. Nothing's happening. Wow. When I click it. Okay, I don't know. For some reason, turning the knob is not immediately works. Let's see if it will understand the problem. Yeah. I don't know, like, why is it so bad? I'm using in release mode, right? Yeah. Okay, let me remove the terminal draw thing entirely. Just gonna remove it and run again. Actually, let me remove the sample stuff too. Right, now it should be super fast. Maybe I should do this in another thread. I think doing this in another thread would be nicer. Alright. Man, these logs are so annoying. Just remove that too. I basically removed everything just for the sake of testing this. Alright. Yeah, now it is quite sensitive. Can I go beyond 29? No. Why is it like limited to 29, dude? What the fuck? Okay, I can go beyond this number. Doesn't turn right anymore. It's a bit weird. Sometimes it just like stops, or what happens? I don't know. But yeah, it depends on the loop, so it's not great, because this means that I need to run this in another thread. Which means it will complicate the whole handling of everything. It's not nice. I have this example code, so maybe I can adopt this. So I need to pass the peripherals to this, right? Yeah. Alright, let's do this. While we're at it, we can do this, I think. Alright, spawn rotate encoder thread. Okay, actually I can wipe code this too. I think I'll do the reading in a separate thread. Example code based on this, give me the thread function and how to do this. Okay. I don't like when this happens, it's just giving you two responses. Just give me the freaking function, bro. I just want it to function. I don't want to choose between things. And also it's stuck. I'm not running many processes, come on, you should work. All right. Actually send the current rotate value, comment out the button for now. There you go. Okay, that's cool, but how do I actually run this? How do I run this? Similar to okay, I already have these. I need to create a channel. Let me see if this builds first. Oh man. What are you building, man? Pin driver static. Pin driver is that does not work. I need to pass the peripheral to this. I'm missing the T. There you go. And in here I just define them. So something like this. I highly doubt that this will work, by the way. But we're just trying. Oh shit. Input pin is not implemented. All right, that's bad. Does it work like this, maybe? I can just do a pin. Okay, what? Wait, what? How does this work? Okay, I don't know. I'll just wipe code this too. What is this? ADC one. Oh, I can just add the constraint here, I guess. So this is coding and you're awesome. Dude, I don't know what I'm doing. Input pin is not implemented. Input pin is not input pin, output pin. What? Dude, what? Okay, you know what? Let me just search for this. SPID of hell. Oh my god, it's not, doesn't have docs. Oh my god, dude. Everything is falling apart. That's so good. Okay, I can just add all the constraints to this. There you go. Thank you, Nicola. Oh, GPIO input pin. Okay, I was just importing the wrong input pin. There you go. Alright, now what's up? Output pin. Okay. Just add all the constraints, I guess. It's looking better. Just gotta remove all the arm wraps. Also add some unwraps. I don't know, like, oh, this is gonna be bad because if this thing panics, then it's gonna be a problem. Let me just add unwraps everywhere. Don't clip this, chat, thank you. Alright, so that kind of worked. This doesn't have to be mutable. Just remove all the mutable stuff. Remove all of this too. Where's my channel, dude? Alright, where's the main? Sender and receiver. Alright, so the bad thing about this is that we gotta spawn a scoped thread now. Which sucks. Well, we're unwrapping everything anyways. There you go, I'm now doing that. I'm not sure if these peripherals are correct. Let me check that. 27, 26. Yeah, these are not correct. So the first one is clock. That's 27, 26, 20, 27, 26, and 33. This is like, which argument is this? That's, wait, what? Clock, DT, NSW. Okay, that should be good now. What? Wait, what? I guess I need to add the constraints to each argument individually, otherwise it will want the same pin. Okay, I hope that works out. That didn't work at all. That didn't work at all. Oh my god, it's gonna be problematic. Can I have multiple constraints like this? Is that possible? I'm learning Rust syntax right now. I'm basically learning Rust syntax. Nope. But it works here. Oh. I think I know what's going on. This is quite bad, actually. This is quite bad. So what is pin driver? Maybe I can use that. So I need a lifetime, T, and mode. What is any pin? Is that a thing? Any input pin. Interesting. And just T here. Any IO pin. Let me just use any IO pin. Where's that code that I just used? Okay, there you go. I don't think this will work. What does that even mean? Oh, pin driver. Oh, I'm creating the pin drivers again. That's bad. Okay, this. Oh, what? What arguments to this function are incorrect? Oh my god. Okay, I know what to do. I'm just gonna add T. No, please work. This is so weird, man. I'm just battling with freaking anyways. There's no such thing as any IO pin. That's not a trait. Is there convergence for this? Can I just call into or something? Into, maybe this works. Nope. Into ref. I should probably just box them. Oh, maybe no. That didn't work. Yeah, I can just use fully concrete types, I guess. That will work. Just import these, man. Okay, now what the fuck? T. Just remove T. No need T. Just build already. Okay, I think it's working. Let me just run it then. Everything can go wrong at this point. Well, I'm not reading the values. Alright. I hope this will run. No serial ports detected. Okay. It's not running, guys. I think it's because of the thread. Of the stack size, maybe. Just remove the stack size. I should have just made it small. In the past, I tried to run threads on this again. I was trying to read the microphone values in a thread, and that also didn't work. So yeah, I'm not sure if this is gonna work. Nope. That's not even showing the UI. Like, it doesn't go past this point because the thread is either panicking or it's just overflowing. Yeah, it's kind of bad. I experienced the same thing before. I tried to run the thread and just like get stuck. Yep. It's not running the thread. What happens if I just do nothing in the thread? Just do nothing in the thread. I need to figure this out because at some point I might want to run threads. I should at least see the UI. Maybe it's because of the scoped thread. Do I need to do anything extra when I scope a thread? Probably not, you just need to run the thread. Okay, it's not crashing actually. So what is this? Why is this happening? Maybe it's running too fast. Probably it's running too fast. When I do nothing in the thread, it works. Alright, now it's in a crash loop. Stack overflow in task main has detected. Oh my god. Is it because of the counter maybe? Can increase the stack size. I'm not doing anything in the thread too, like it's just a loop that runs every 100 milliseconds and it's just reading some values. Why is it like allocating a lot of memory then? I don't get it. Yeah, it's crashing again. I increase the stack size, maybe now this will work. I mean, I should be able to use 8000. But yeah, maybe with the other stuff that I'm doing, it's just exceeding the limits. But really, like, I don't get it. Dude, what? Cannot even read anything in a loop here. Okay, last attempt. Then I'm gonna ditch this. Nope, it's just crashing. Can I just run an empty loop maybe? Yeah, I can run an empty loop. But when I call this, it just like crashes, I think. Oh, actually no, I cannot run an empty loop. Just stack overflows when I do that too. Oh my god. Okay, threads, not great. They don't work quite well. So I'm just gonna revert all these changes. I made a backup, don't worry. I'm just gonna delete all this code that I've been working on like since, I don't know, 20 minutes. Just gonna delete all that. I'm gonna run this again and see the performance. Yeah, it doesn't even... Yeah, it doesn't log anything when I rotate it. It's quite bad, to be honest. Maybe now it will be better, I don't know. No, always increasing it. Damn. I just wanted this rotating thing, man. Hey man, what are you building? It's a good question. I don't know anymore. I don't know anything anymore, dude. I'm basically building this TUI, but runs on this little screen. And yeah, let me just run it for you. So this is connected to my guitar. I'm gonna just turn it on. Oh my god. Dude, what are these signals? It's going crazy for some reason. Okay. Yeah, so this is connected to my guitar and it's supposed to show the notes, but it's not working right now because I fucked up something. And no, yeah, I changed some things, but yeah, this is like there's like an amplifier thing going on here. There's like a voltage regulation going on here. Now I'm trying to add this rotating rotary encoder, so that I can just have a little knob where I can tweak things. So that's what I'm building. That's just a bunch of stuff. And yeah, the end goal is to render some nice TUI on this little screen and show some notes and frequencies and stuff like that. That was the worst explanation possibly. Okay, enable interrupt. Here is how to do interrupts in ESP. Keep up the progress, thank you. So we're gonna enable interrupt on the clock, right? And then create a notification and notifier. And just unsafely subscribe to that. In the main loop. Just do this, which doesn't really make sense, but whatever. Option non-zero, okay, so it's gonna be sum. How can I learn to do what you do? Are you asking how to learn what I do? I guess just keep grinding, I don't know. Dude, I hope this works. Let's see if it's gonna do anything. I'm not running the FFT anymore, which is kind of sad. Should run the FFT. Gotta run that, you know. So now in every loop, in every iteration, we just check. Wait, did I enable interrupt? Yeah, okay, enable interrupt. It might take some resources to do that in every step. But let's see if it's gonna do anything. All right, it's crashing. Great. What is going on? Stack overflow. Oh my god, dude. Why are you... what? It's probably because of enable interrupts. I mean, I cannot even do a single interrupt. It's kind of annoying. What were the other possible solutions? Wait, what? Why are you overflowing now? I didn't change even... What did I do, man? Is it because of anything that I touched? But no, I didn't even change anything. It's probably because of this call here. I don't know how to profile embedded apps. That's another thing that I need to learn. If I knew which call is taking like hella memory, I could probably easily debug this, but now I cannot because I don't know. Yeah, it was because of the interrupt. Damn. Fuck all that. I'm always getting a Stack Overflow. Instead, just use a Sendikler selamlar. Hallochen, brother. 1M pot and read that. Man, I'm so pissed off because I was expecting this to be very simple, but now I'm fucking losing my mind over here. Alright, just use the potentiometer. Fuck all this rotary encoder shit. Let me just place this shit. Where is it? Zen mode on today, yeah. It's so on, man. It's so on. I just wanna get shit done, but I just lost a lot of time because of this little guy over here, which you don't see, but it's very annoying. Alright, I'm just remove all this. Just gonna remove all this. Get out. Okay, I don't like you. I don't like you. Nobody likes you. Alright, let me get a 1M potentiometer. Where is it? I have so many pots. I don't know which one is 1M. Oh shit, I just cut myself. Am I bleeding? Actually, I don't care. I don't care to get shit done. I think I have this in here. 1M, there we go. Fire. Alright, we're gonna just place this here. Just gonna place it here. Boom. Take all the cable. Oh shit, I don't really need to. We don't like the rotary clubs. Yeah, fuck all this shit, man. Alright, I actually didn't have to remove all the cables, but whatever. We need three wires. So left ground. Alright. Left ground. Boom. Right 3.3 volts. Boom. And the middle one.
Why are we stopping?
Because I can't take this.
Can't take what?
I love
It goes to where? GPIO 34. Where's that? Which one is it? I don't know. Let me check the pin map. GPIO 34. There isn't a.
not misplaced affection.
Give me something based on this pinout. I'll leave you alone at a moment like this. A few days ago made my phone cover into pieces because it didn't. What? Because it didn't go into my pocket. What? I don't know what to say, bro. You can... Okay, which one? ADC6. ADC6, where the heck is it? There's an ADC6, there's ADC... GPIO 33. 33. So this one. 33, okay, I'm gonna just connect it to 33. 30. Where the fuck is it? Okay, I think I saw it. Alright, 33. There you fucking go. For something that is insignificant normally. Okay. Sounds painful. Alright, so peripherals ADC1. Don't I already use this? ADC driver, ADC1, okay. ADC1. GPIO 33. It's actually ADC 5. No. Alright, let's read the value. ADC 5 driver. 5 driver. ADC 1 driver. I should be able to read from just port actually, but whatever. Oh, I can just call this. So port read what? Chat, press the like button, it helps for the stream. Thank you for the reminder. No cereal. Alright, we're flashing this. Hopefully the potentiometer will just read fine. I'm not sure why I'm using ADC1, to be honest. It should be ADC5 or something. Or maybe I'm missing something. Okay, port value. Let me just change this. Yeah, I mean, it works. It fucking works, dude. It just works. Why the fuck did I just suffer fucking for 2 hours to get that rotary encoder shit to work. It's not even fucking working. I cannot even speak. I'm so tired. But this just works, okay? Oh my god, I cannot believe this. Okay, let me try to get the shit running again. Man, look at me. Just look at me. Wrong video. So now it's running, but again, there's like there's some problem with the voltage. Not the voltage, but some cables on the breadboard, they're fucked. So I need to fix that somehow. Something is not touching, or some shit. I don't know. But it's working. Can I run this on both like USB and 9 volts? I hope it won't fucking blow up. I mean, yeah, I can, apparently. So where is the fucking FFT? Did I disable that or something? I think I disabled it, or no, I didn't. Alright, you know what? Here's what we're gonna do. Port value, you see that, right? This is gonna be waveform min. It's gonna be quite fun. I'm basically gonna change the graph based on the port values. F64. You know, the lesson learned from the stream is that sometimes, or yeah, sometimes you just gotta think simple, man. One pot was just enough to change things, but I went the complicated route and tried to add this rotary encoder thing, which turned out to be more difficult to use because I have this limitations where it just like overflows and shit. And also I tried like running threads, doing interrupts and everything. Sometimes you gotta just keep it simple. Hello, Okawa. I should implement something with Rotary as well. Yeah, always not enough implementation, not enough apps. We need more. All right, now okay, let me show you what we have here. Let me just put a scene one. Okay, now this potentiometer just needs to. Oh yeah, there you go. Am I running in release mode actually? No. Okay. Okay. Wait. Let me just run this in release mode so it looks better. I need to flash this in release mode. Takes forever. I'm drink water in the meantime. Okay. So now I don't have this thing running yet. Let me run it. So in case you're wondering what this port is changing, you can simply like set the range for the graph. So now I'm receiving around 1.2 volts, right? And this is coming from the guitar. So when I play something, you see the wave. Right? If someday I have like a bigger voltage, I can just change the part, change the location where I want to zoom in, basically. So now we're just zooming in between 0.9 volts and 1.4 volts. It's dynamic, so it's no way it's always changing like that. But anyways, yeah, it could be fixed very easily later on. So I did that. The next thing that I want to do here is I want to use another input here. I'm using 33. Can probably use, okay, maybe 32. Jack ADC channel. Let's rename this. Maybe 32. Let's use 32 here. Okay, input mode 0. Oh, I need to check the button as well. So, wait, button. It's GPIO 0. What's the other button actually? GPIO 2, maybe it's GPIO 2, I don't know. No, it's actually 35. Based on this thing. Okay, let's use 35 then. Yeah, so input mode, it's gonna change the input mode. And where do I read the, yeah, there you go, match input mode. Nope. There you go. So now we're just switching between mic and jack input, and I want to render a letter, single letter, render a single letter for the input mode at the top right corner. That's a totally wrong thing, but okay. Frame, render widget. Widget is going to be input mode letter. The area is basically frame area. Maybe no. Rect new XY. How do I use the buttons of ESP32? This is X, right? It's gonna be right. Top. What the hell? Okay, I guess whatever. Let's try to flash this now. Now in M mode. Check. Wait, what? Oh, it's not connected, that's why. Okay, let me switch here. So I said 33, right? What did I say? So in here, mic, ADC channel, 32 actually. 33 is the potentiometer. Okay, let's connect this. So out is going to go to 32. Right here. If I can plug it in. 32. This is VCC. There you go. Okay, so it's connected. I mean, you cannot even see the screen anymore because of all the cables. Okay, microphone. Where's the signal? Let's see if it's actually working. I'm gonna try to play something. Let me just find something to play. 1 second. I mean, yeah, it's A4. I guess it's working. There you go. Okay, now it's in the mic input, right? If I press this, it's gonna go to the jack input. You can set the graph value here. Now if I play something, where is it? Where's the signal, dude? Okay, there you go. Have it around here. So now we have two modes. The first one is directly from the guitar, and the other one is from the microphone, and you just switch back and forth with just pressing the button there. And there you go. This is the microphone. So once again, all right, it's that's what I wanted to do today, and that's what I did. I suffered a lot with this fucking encoder thing, but at the end of today, it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna throw these in here, man. Also, I have these fancy knobs. You can just, you know, if you wanna get a better feel for things, you can just add these. Let me add the other one. All right. This looks very very weird though. I'm gonna remove it without breaking anything, I hope. All right. Yeah. Let's update the PCB now. Here's my. Here I am. Okay, I can also commit these changes. Support multiple inputs. I'm gonna push this. Alright, going back to our easy ETA. Let's open up the project. So one thing that I need to change, oh my god, what is going on? One thing that I need to change here is the this one. So this is the pot, right? And I actually don't want to have an actual pot, because I want to place this on the PCB. It's gonna be placed somewhere else. But actually, it doesn't really matter. I'm thinking. Yeah, let me just leave it like this for now. Okay, what did I add today? I have another pot. This is basically connected to ground. So one of them is. Oh, I just realized I haven't connected anything to ESP32, so let me do that now. So 3.3 volts. On this side. So this is gonna VCC, I need to VCC, where is it? Okay, so I don't know why it's black all of a sudden actually. I'm just copy this. Okay, so this is connected to VCC. And need to connect something to ground, so maybe this one can just connect to ground. Right. And then the jack input is gonna go to '36, I think. Right, 36 here. So mono jack. So no, not where is it going actually? ADC out. So this is gonna go to 36. It's a jumper though. Yeah, that's fine. Or maybe not. Why is this colored like this, dude? net port. Okay, easy. Net port. Okay, ADC out. I think this is gonna just connect to ESP32. I really don't like the color of this. Oh shit, there's a mosquito in my room. Just right on my computer. It's kind of bad. Anyways. I'm gonna change the color of this, man. Oh, we can just type here. Okay, that's good. Just type there then. Oh my god, it's just this guy's just flying around in my room freely. Okay, let me change this jack output. There you go. Alright, let me see how it looks like on PCB actually. Yeah, check nets, what's going on? No, these are not connected anyways. Let me see. ESP32. So this is supposed to be connected to the diode, right? Yeah, it's connected to the diode. Cool. Cool, okay, it's fine. Right, let me do the mic output and stuff like that. The mic has 3 inputs, so I need just 3. What? In easy error. What's the footprint for 3 pin J connector. This is the 2-1. Oh, I can just search for it probably. So library. I'm gonna just search for this. Nope, this is not what I want. Oh, this kind of looks like what I want, but not really. Just need a 3-pin connector, man. Oh my god, what the fuck? What is this component? It's just like a huge thing. Oh my god. So it takes forever to load. I think I'm gonna just go with one of these guys. Yeah, let me just go with one of these. Mic, or just give this proper name. Max 4466. Oh, I can just add that actually, but okay, Max 4466. I don't have this much of pins actually. I have only 3. Okay, Max 66. So maybe the other one was correct. Now that I think of it. Nope. I'm talking about the module here. I don't know why it's showing me the chip. Oh my god, this fucking mosquito. Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna take a look at the VCC ground. Okay, you can just connect them. That's VCC. That's ground for you. The third one is going to be mic output. I'm gonna take this. Okay, what was it? It was 32. So 32. There you go. So on 33 we have another pot. Let me just copy this then. For this one, the first one goes to round. The other one goes to VCC. Where is it, dude? Let me just copy something from here. And the middle one there you go, that's the connection. That's the connection. And just save this, create a PCB. Okay, 3D. I need to properly draw the PCB later, but this is, I think, this is like up to date now with my breadboard. Yeah, should be good. Can I just create groups or something maybe? Rectangle. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is the input thing. All right. What else am I gonna do here? I think nothing. For the next stream, I'm thinking of trying to run this on a bigger screen, on like a separate ESP, and just connect that. And yeah. Guys, this is it from me today. I'm so tired, and this is so this was a wild ride because of all that Rotary encoder thing that I've been debugging and shit. but if you watched through the end, which I don't think anybody watched the whole 2.5 hours of me just suffering, but if you did that, thanks. And if you like joined and just, you know, be present in the chat, that's also appreciated. Fucking mosquito, get the hell out. And yeah, I guess I'll see you tomorrow or later, and we have lots of things to do here, so just stay tuned. And also I hit 3k subscribers, so I need to do something special for that, probably, or not, I don't know. I'm tired. My shoulder is injured, so I cannot do a lot of sports things for celebrating. I don't want to get injured more, so whatever, we'll see, we'll think about it. My brain is melting. Join Discord, grindhouse.dev. I'm too lazy to send a Discord link, but thanks everybody. I'll see you in the next one. All right, take care, bye. Fucking